Ooh, cherry sauce. Cherry got cherry.
Can you grab that? Hold it for me.
Oh, okay.
That look good.
I can make that at the house. Easy. Fish and chips.
You know, for real.
I can fry that with the salmon.
Ah, salmon croquette. Can you make that?
It's coconut. You know what coconut is?
Shauna's still trying to get her man back.
You gotta get that shit again. You gotta stop doing that shit, bro. We're stop doing it. You ain't in Vegas here. You live in the Bay Area.
Yeah, I'm just having a conversation about
Right,
Shauna. So if you feel like that's
I'm just saying,
punking you, then
like your jacket, man. That's a good one. Nice and old school classical. Where the Uber at is coming. Hey, little guy.
oh, the 90. I ain't even.
My brother say anything on live, y'all. Double bloggers, vlog life, vlogging all night, vlogging till the phone die.
Nope.
Huh?
Vlogging all night till the morning.
And then, like, if you make like some beats and put them behind there, like them other people be doing,
Right.
little go to bed beats.
Exactly.
Go to bed.
Hi.
Hey, little guy.
So give me my milk. I don't care.
I'm milkman.
He woke up right after that timer turned off.
No, for real. Got him out of there. Like right away. He was like, it's time to get up. They be coming to my live.
He said, what they
get
doing?
up out of there.
He said, what they doing? They ain't put the bottle in my mouth yet. It's a problem.
It's a problemus.
I want to take the Amtrak to Compton.
Yeah, that'd be
That was a nice idea. I said I was down with it.
Go to Sac. And turn right back around. Like, see you later, Sacramento. Makitino.
Yeah, that's a good, nice ride. That's all day. Take off day.
So we are turning right on Embarcadero, Oak Street and Embarcadero right there. Crossing with the cross sign. Bike route right there. Union Hills.
Tell the ops where we at.
Double blogging right now. As long as y'all like, comment, and subscribe, we're gonna survive. Once y'all don't like it, y'all don't comment, y'all don't subscribe, we're gonna survive. It's raining game in Northern California. You better tell me. It's raining game in Northern California.
Did you roll it that quick?